G'day guys, this is a market watch list on perpetual contracts brought to you by FTX. If you would like to get a free month of watching me and my team trade 6 days a week with videos into your inbox, hey, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is fill out the survey, and the link's in the description below here. Of course, that survey requires you to have an FTX account because we're asking for some feedback. It's also going to set you up where you do get access to seeing how to go long and manage your risk and how to go short managing your risk. And once we've received that, we will then put you into basically getting that content. So yeah, pretty simple, straightforward to do and enjoy it. Free gift from us. If you haven't got the account, of course, there is a link there that you can get that account with 10% off your trading fee. So let's have a look at what's on my watch list today. Of course, Bitcoin here, check it out. Look, it's not done a huge amount, but I mean, look, it's done something. It's done a lot more than it's done for the last 2 weeks. That's for damn sure. Yesterday up 2%, not looking too bad, but what I'm liking, check out the cyclicity we've got going here. Sorry, yeah, I don't know if I said right. Pull back into the cradle, moved away. Now, this is the first pullback after that, and this is where my trading opportunities may present themselves. So am I looking for longs right now? Absolutely, yeah, I certainly am. I'm looking at the 4 hour here. A pullback into that cradle zone is really what I'm after at this moment on Bitcoin. And because it's on Bitcoin, we've also got it across several other of the good key markets across our higher margin, so higher volume markets. Check this out on EOS, for example. You know what an absolute ripping market that is. It's moving high. The uptrend looks a lot clearer on the 12 with the higher lows. And it's actually as I go lower into the mids, it really does start to stand out. Check out the cyclicity on that 8. Jumping to the 4. Hey, look, it's pretty straightforward, guys. I'm just looking for a little bullish candle in here. Simple stuff. Give it a few hours. Maybe check back in the next 4 to 8 hours in the afternoon. And that could be there looking superb. Well, yesterday I managed to get a little bit of money out of the market in Bitcoin Cash. I took this little cradle back here, and I got taken out this morning right around this level. Got about 1.5% out of that, so nothing major, but profit nevertheless. And as it stands right now, it's kind of pulling back a little bit far at the minute. Let's have a look at that in the 2 hour. Yeah, it's coming in a little bit deep, to be fair. I'm going to take that out of the list right now. I don't think that sort of suits anymore. It's pulled back a little bit far. Ethereum. Oh yeah, baby. Check this puppy out. What an absolute weapon of a market right now. We are coming up around those highs. There is a little bit of resistance where we are right now. Look, if we can get above that $250 mark, we got a real solid chance of hitting 300. I know it's a long way, but this is crypto, guys. It moves hard and it's been consolidating for a long time. Check it out in the weekly. Bullish candle in the cradle zone. Breaks the high. Very good move. Yep. Works on any time frame, guys. Don't forget that. Jumping back now, a little bit of resistance where we are right at this stage at those highs. So I'm not looking to trade the highs. I'm looking to trade the pullbacks. And we're pulling back right now. Look at this beautiful pullback. Look, this is just such a cracking looking chart and trend. I got to just make sure I can get my one-to-one risk managed before these old highs. But it looks superb. Link, oh my goodness, Link, you have done me so well over the last couple of weeks. I got like a good $2.50 out of that on my portfolio managed trade. I'm pretty stoked with it. As you can see, I mean, look, I've been speaking about it for a while. I said if it breaks those highs, we might see a pump. Boom! We sure darn well did. Johnny on the spot. Who was it? Me. Happy. Now I'm waiting. Now I'm waiting for a pullback. Look, give me a bigger, deeper pullback and I'll be happy. Failing a deeper pullback, I'm really looking down on these mids and these lower time frames. I mean, check this out. Look at this, right? Let's just do a bit of 1-2 here. Look at that. Resistance, pop, pull back, test. All right. Just seeing if I can get a little cradle. I've got to get everything fitting my checklist, but look at that. Back into an old resistance level. Let's look at the 2 hour. It's kind of a bit divergent there. It's my only concern, but it is on my watch list and I will be keeping an eye on that throughout the trading day and into tomorrow as well. Tomo. What's going on with Tomo? Look at that trend. BOT. Check out the 4 hour bullish candle, 2 hours and 24 minutes until that closes. Well, you just got to do your checklist, go through that, work out if it's tradable, and there you go. On a platter. Got a little bottle of weight though. XRP. Oh, this was the one that got away yesterday. I had an order raised to get long here, and when markets move fast, they can often skip your order. And this is what happened. I got filled a little bit, didn't get filled the amount that I hoped to. It just went to doom, jumped straight through, and that was that. Obviously, if we look at this perfect little cradle down here, I mean, I'm sure a bunch of you guys got this, but look at this. It's where we are now. The multiple of reward on that is 7.76 with a high of what, 10? Yeah, pretty much 10 to 1. That's not bad That's not bad for a day's trading, and you'd still be in. So I'm looking at this once again, seeing if I can get a trade on. The market's looking strong. I'm sort of looking more at those mids, maybe on these lowers as well, if I can get that cyclicity back. Little cradles just like that, you know? That's what I'm after here. And finally, wrapping up on DeFi. Beautiful trend, continues to move. Look at this 2 hour. Got a couple of candles in here that are holding, little bullish candles. It's very similar to back here, and that one would have been a stop out. But you can see there, it's a nice looking market. That 4 hours really caught my attention. Look, a little bit more of a pullback would be ideal. But again, you know, we've got options, guys. The markets are moving. We do have this looking a lot better. Now, of course, we still haven't seen if it's going to continue on. But I'm going to trade what I see, not what I think. And I'm going to focus on basically being dialed in on these cradle trades. We've got a great platform on FTX. Do the survey, get a free month, 6 days a week, watching me and my team watch lists like this, but 6 days a week, and also educational content there as well, plus all the archives, guys. Go and fill out the survey. It's in the description below. Hit the like button and do the love heart things and make it sound good, and share this around with all your friends and family. Have a great day, and I hope you're trading well. Bye for now.